Here's Kansas City's most accurate forecast from meteorologist Lindsey Anderson.
It's still a cloudy and cold end to the week. We're looking live on our KB Complete Skyview network with the overcast skies, and temperatures right now hovering right at 30 degrees. That's out at the airport, but downtown at freezing, that 32-degree mark. There's not much of a wind chill to report out at KCI because our winds are so light coming out of the west. They'll continue to flip out of the south through the afternoon, and that'll usher in some slightly warmer air later in the afternoon. 32 degrees right now downtown, 31 South Kansas City. We're at 30 from Liberty, Lee Summit, and Oak Grove, 31 degrees in DeSoto. Pretty uniform temperatures out there in the upper 20s and lower 30s at the moment. By the late day, we could see those highs approaching the 40-degree mark. I think we'll be closer to 38 at KCI, but lower to middle 40s can't be ruled out across our southern counties, getting up to 43 Warrensburg and 43 degrees in Harrisonville. Certainly once we start to see those southerly winds kick in a little bit. Satellite and radar composite has an area of overcast conditions with all the shades of white and gray on this map. And as we look to our west, we're waiting our next storm system to make it on shore and then zip right over the Rocky Mountains into the plains over the next 24 to 36 hours. So this system is going to get its act together really quickly, certainly bringing in some moisture off the coast of Oregon and into California. Look at that stream of moisture. It's also going to tap into some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So a lot of moisture will be available right here in Kansas City. It'll all fall as snow as our temperatures will be extremely cold Saturday night and into Sunday. Lots of moisture available, so because of that, winter storm watches are in place south of the 36 highway corridor, so includes the I-70 area and then points south for the majority of the state of Kansas and then into Missouri. St. Louis also in that winter storm watch Saturday into Sunday. So snow is likely Saturday night. An area of 3 to 6 inches of snow possible. Those higher amounts, the higher end of that, most likely on the south side of town and in our southern counties, where some areas could get closer to 6 to 8 inches of snow. We are concerned with blowing and drifting snow with this event, as high winds will pick up by Sunday morning and afternoon, gusting around 30 miles per hour. So the blowing and drifting snow will make it really tough for those crews and road crews to continually clear the roadways out there. So here's how it looks on our PowerCast. First off, we'll watch that snow move in from west to east late Saturday night. So the majority of your day on Saturday looks a-okay to getting your errands done or travel done. But by Saturday midnight to 2 a.m., we'll watch that snow move in and turn widespread across the area. Here's 2 o'clock in the morning, and the majority of us noticing some heavy snowfall. This dark shade of purple or blue indicates snowfall rates 1 to 1.5 inches an hour. But the latest data wants to kick this system out fast. We still have to watch and see how fast the system moves out, but I would say between 8 and 10 a.m. that snow will dissipate. Some snow showers may linger, but by the lunch hour we are clear as far as the precipitation goes. However, with blowing and drifting snow, that's going to be an impact that will last for the majority of the day on Sunday. Snowfall amounts, a large area of 3 to 5 inches possible along the I-70 corridor, lesser amounts the farther north you travel, and this bullseye of 5 to 8 inches to our south could shift a little bit north or potentially a little south. So we have to watch where that bullseye gets. It will just approach the south side of the metro, where some areas could get closer to 5 inches of snow. So our big weather impacts on Sunday: slick roads, blowing snow resulting in low visibility, and that bitter cold air. Luckily, power outages, a low impact, a low concern with this event because it's going to be such a light and fluffy snow. Look how cold we get behind this system. We're at -4 degrees Monday morning and then up to 13 degrees Monday afternoon with sunshine early in the week. So we do have a cold stretch to start off Monday and Tuesday, getting above freezing by Wednesday.